The number of alpha and beta particles emitted in nuclear reaction. How to calculate number of alpha and beta particles emitted in this nuclear reaction, that is thorium 228 90 gives rise to bismuth 212 83. How many alpha particles are emitted and how many beta particles are emitted? If for example m number of alpha particles are emitted, alpha particle is He24, and n number of beta particles are emitted, it is E minus 1 0. Now if we compare the atomic masses first, atomic masses, if we compare the atomic masses, that is 228 is equal to 212 plus m into 4 plus n into 0 by comparing atomic masses. 228 minus 212 is equal to 4m. From this m is equal to 228 minus 212. The difference is here 16. 16 by 4. So m is 4. So number of alpha particles emitted are 4. And then to calculate the beta particles, compare atomic numbers. Atomic numbers. 90 is equal to 83 plus m into 2 plus n into minus 1. 90 is equal to 83 plus m value we already calculated, that is 4. 4 into 2 minus n. n is equal to 83 plus 8 minus 90. 83 plus 8 is 91. 91 minus 90, that is 1. So number of beta particles are 1. So here the answer is number of alpha particles emitted 4 and beta particles emitted 1.